Introducing the stunning 2026 Cupra Terramar V2, 1.5 with 150 horsepower and a sleek blue exterior. This estate Jeep is packed with comfort and safety features, such as air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking, and much more. The luxurious interior includes ambient lighting, cup holders, and a load cover parcel shelf. With advanced technology like voice control, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi network, this vehicle will exceed all your expectations. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.